it's your girl Tiff, and today's video is going to be all about maintenance. It's currently 9:55. My son just fell asleep, and by the looks of it, I just need some maintenance. I need a wax. I need to do my eyebrows. I need to do my nails. I need a wax. I'm in need for a wax. So, since he's asleep, I'm gonna just do that. I probably won't get to my nails today, even though I need it. If you're interested in my maintenance video, go ahead and keep watching. I also want to put out there that this is my little office closet thing. It's in my son's room and he is sleeping right now, so I can't be loud and I can't be myself. So it's a big challenge along the way because waxing hurts. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there as to why I'm like kind of whispering. Alright, so I'm gonna wax my fucking cooter. I hate this so much. I'm really considering just going back to shaving, but it just sounds so horrible. I needed to take a break because this next wax is gonna hurt like hell. It's the labia. For those who don't know the lips. I really don't want to do it. It's on. Let's work it out. It's a really long strip. That bad. It's not that bad. So it's a little hot. So because I'm not trying to burn off my labia, we're gonna wait. Okay. I don't have enough pull. It's gonna break, Tiffany. Hold on. Why am I not comfortable? I can't pull it. I'm starting to sweat. Look how sweaty my gloves are. Like, I'm sweating. I'm sweating so much. Oh my god. This shit fucking hurts. Okay, now I'm gonna clean up. So that was the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me wax myself. I don't know why we do this. This shit hurts so bad. The armpits I can handle anytime, any day. But Brazilians, oh no. I like the results. I love them. But doing them, no. It's pretty late. I took a while waxing just because I couldn't pull it off. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I'll be back with more videos.